look at the size of that thing. That thing is huge. We'll just leave it in here for Chuck. There you go, Chuck. You have a little surprise later on.
Straighten it up. Turbos. Coming this way. Okay, straight up. Little bump. Turn into the wall. Good Lord. Okay, stop. You got to turn back a little. Perfect. Okay, you got to come back a lot. Gonna get a little tippy. Is he on the ground yet?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Get out of the way first. Okay. That's all the flex it'll ever see.
You want me to turn that spring?
You got 2 tires in the air.
Actually, that spring valve does need to pull.
Hold up. A lot of flex. Okay, come back the other way. Right there. Come back a little. Coming. Slow. What? Hold on.
I thought that was going to slide off.
No,
I'd
Try to walk it forward slow.
Watch out, Chuck, you get squished. Watch out, Chuck. Watch it. There we go.
Straight up. Climb now. Straight. Air's gonna climb. That's gonna drop. Almost there.
So Chuck, Nathan, what do we got going over here on Little
pile of
Chief?
shit Jeeps.
That ain't the way to start it. Andrew's gonna use that in every video.
Can I just edit that out? That's
Yeah.
the intro.
Give me that
For
thing.
everyone. So we got her on a hill earlier, and it started smoking pretty good.
Drill my hand.
You're gonna get your shirt in there.
I got some of that little cheap smoker going on in front of me. It's just smoking away.
So we decided to home build a catch can because it was sucking in too much
Costs
oil.
more than a real catch can.
Yeah, into the intake, and eventually it was the amount of oil that was getting in there was causing the compression to bump, and then it was starting to piston knock
Is this a common problem on these Jeeps?
on the 3.6s. Yeah.
Do Toyotas have this problem?
Oh, way worse, probably. Maybe.
Yeah, I mean,
How much is this catch can?
$70 for PVC pipes and bullshit.
I mean, we could 22R swap it. But looks like we got some Toyota work going on. Jeff, what's going on?
My name's Jeff and I like to party.
What are you doing on this Toyota?
Well, the stock studs are apparently not enough to handle me, and one broke, and then one was already broken, so it caused a major leak.
Okay, I just wanted to document it. Is the Jeep broke down, Chuck?
No, it's not broke down. We're still going, but it leaking a little 90 weight for some reason out of the front. Maybe at the cover. I don't know.
Some signs of some oil leakage. Is that what?
Yeah.
You seen it in the dirt right here?
Yep. Man. I'm gonna lay down on them.
Oh, I got that canvas.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see if Chuck finds his leak. See if the Jeep's down permanently or not. We had to put some power steering fluid in the Toyota. And I had it in this. So we're gonna see if we can get Chuck.
What's that? What's that noise we hear? It sounds like a Toyota cranking. Bum bum bum. What's going on? What's going on, guys? Is there a little bit of karma? Apparently Jeff's gonna warm his truck up by doing this.